You've installed your bike to your Tacx Alpine, but there are just a few final checks to do before it's time to crush some climbs. Failure to perform one or more of the following actions could result in possible property damage. For this video, you will need the clearance validation tool included with the Tacx Alpine Installation Kit. Route the power cables so they will not interfere with the trainer during use. Ensure no objects are obstructing the power cables. Ensure nothing is interfering with the bike chain. Next, ensure there's enough clearance between the bike fork and the Tacx Alpine dynamic fork mount. Press the down arrow on your Tacx Alpine until your bike is in its lowest position. Rotate the handlebars to the right until they stop. Insert the clearance validation tool into the gap. The triangle should fit completely through. Place protective strips on the bike fork if the triangle does not fit in the gap. Finally, rotate the handlebars back to the left and repeat for the opposite side. Use the clearance validation tool to verify the chainstay clearance in both the lower and upper position of the grade range. You can set grade limits in the Tacx app. For more details, see your owner's manual. To make sure there's enough ceiling height when riding on the trainer. You are now ready to ride, and that's it. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.